Tell me about it. Well. Ooh. Well, this is what happened. This is a true story. True story.
Ayer a las 10 de la mañana.
I forgot my story. This happened to me. To my mom. True story. So I used to be in ESL second grade, and I was in the advanced people's class for math class. So every day some girl would come get me. I think her name was Brandy. She had blonde hair and a ponytail. She used to go get me from my classroom, and then she'd take me to the normal people's class so we could do math. And this one time, I had a math test, and it was a math spelling test. A math spelling test. Like you had to do problems and then spell out the answer. Estás comiendo.
Se equivocó en vez de poner 3 puso algo.
Yeah, so I did my math problem. It was like 10 minus 7 equals 3. So I had to spell out 3. So since I was in ESL, I didn't know how to spell 3. So I spelled it tree. And I got my answer wrong. It all went downhill from there. I lost my confidence in math. It ruined my life. I'm done.